Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD. And today's Thursday, February 16th, 2023. It is 5:11 and 36 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, oral bacteria. So let's jump to it here. Oral bacteria may increase heart disease risk. Date February 14th, 2023. Source, Eli. Infection with a bacterium that causes gum disease and bad breath may increase the risk of heart disease. The study suggests another potential risk factor that physicians might screen for to identify individuals at risk of heart disease. It may also indicate that treatments for colonization or infection with the oral bacterium, Fusobacterium nucleatum, may help reduce heart disease risk. A combination of genetic and environmental risk factors contributes to heart disease, which is responsible for about 1/3 of all deaths worldwide. A buildup of plaque in the arteries that supply the heart with blood causes coronary heart disease, the most common type of heart disease, and can also lead to blockages that cause heart attacks. Previous studies have linked certain infections to an increased risk of plaque buildup. Although enormous progress has been made in understanding how coronary heart disease develops, our understanding of how infections, inflammation, and genetic risk factors contribute is still incomplete. Researchers wanted to fill some of the gaps in their understanding of coronary heart disease by taking a more comprehensive look at the role of infections. Researchers analyzed genetic information, health data, and blood samples from a subset of 3,459 people who participated in the study, a Swiss population-based cohort. Of the 3,459 participants, around 6% experienced a heart attack or another harmful cardiovascular event during the 12-year follow-up period. The team tested participants' blood samples for the presence of antibodies against 15 different viruses, 6 bacteria, and 1 parasite. Once the authors adjusted the results for known cardiovascular risk factors, they found that antibodies against Fusobacterium nucleatum, a sign of previous or current infection by the bacterium, were linked with a slightly increased risk of cardiovascular event. Fusobacterium nucleatum might contribute to cardiovascular risk through increased systemic inflammation due to bacterial presence in the mouth or through direct colonization of the arterial walls or plaque lining the arterial walls. The researchers also confirmed that individuals with high genetic risk scores for coronary heart disease are at elevated risk for cardiovascular events, as previous studies have shown. If future studies confirm the link between Fusobacterium nucleatum and heart disease, the researchers say it may lead to new approaches to identifying those at risk for preventing cardiovascular events. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.